Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting essentials: your government ID, a recent selfie, and proof of address so verification clears quickly. Next, confirm service availability at your PIN code or using the provider's lookup. This saves wasted effort. Once available, note device details: modem model and MAC address, plus photos of existing wiring. Suppliers often require these during scheduling. Don't delay. Having these ready lets you move straight to account creation and booking without back and forth that stalls. You create your account using a valid email, a strong password, and enable two-factor authentication when available because it protects billing and access. Then, pick a plan by comparing speed in Mbps, data caps, and monthly price. Aim for slightly higher speed than current needs to avoid congestion. Once chosen, schedule installation. Pick a 2-4-hour time window, confirm technician ID requirements, and pay any initial fee. After booking, watch for confirmation messages and the technician's expected arrival time. You must be present for installation, verify the technician's ID, watch the setup, and test connection speeds with a phone or laptop before they leave so issues are caught immediately. Complete activation by signing documents, confirming you can log into the account, and keeping receipts and SIM or router info. If something goes wrong, first restart the modem, inspect cables and ports, then contact support with the error code or speed readings. This speeds resolution and avoids unnecessary technician revisits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.